In this video, I will be taking you to the most visited hill station in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. Commonly known as the Lake District of India, Nainital is one of the most beautiful hill stations in North India. Surrounded by mountains on three sides, Nainital is located around the beautiful Naini Lake. The nearest railway station is located at a distance of 36 kilometers at Kathgodam. The nearest airport is Pantnagar, which lies at a distance of 70 kilometers from Nainital. Nainital is well connected to all nearby places by a network of well-constructed roads, including National Highway 87. Various tour operators offer regular taxi services to and from Nainital, and one can also opt to drive all the way up, being a little careful on the uphill climb. You don't have to provide a COVID negative report for visiting the city. Ordinarily, a drive to Nainital involves a pre-dawn departure to beat the mad rush of tourist traffic that scrambles its way up the route. Time it wrong and you are setting yourself up for a horror journey. A 6 to 7 hour drive from New Delhi, Nainital can easily be accessed by road with a few halts en route. You can get yourself a great breakfast in the hills if you wish to do the same and enjoy your time here. When you enter Nainital, you are greeted by its famous mall road. On one side, you can see the shops and the hotels, and on the other is the beautiful Naini Lake. Visitors usually take a boat ride which costs around 160 rupees for half a round and 210 rupees for full. Standing on one side of the beautiful Naini Lake is the Naina Devi temple, which is a famous Indian pilgrimage and one of the 51 Shakti Peeths in India. But Nainital offers more than that. Based on your budget, you can get some great properties to spend your time in here. We booked Hotel Mountain Lake in Mallital area, which is a decent property for its price. On day 1, we decided to go to the snow viewpoint. Close to the snow viewpoint is a Tibetan monastery, which is a must visit. Though when we reached there, it was closed, maybe because of the pandemic. There is no entry fee for a snow viewpoint, but if you take the ropeway, then the rates are Rs 300 per person. The aerial ropeway will take you from the Naini Lake to the snow viewpoint and back to Naini Lake. You can witness snow here during the winters. If you want to travel cheap like us, you can simply trek along the road and reach snow viewpoint. Since winters were almost over, there was no snow to be found there. On a clear day, you can see the Himalayas from here, but we were not so lucky. So just make sure when you are coming to visit this, there is no haze. Near to snow viewpoint is the Gold Market, where you can have tea and snacks. Himalaya Darshan Point near to the snow viewpoint was also non-operational because of the haze. Whenever you are coming to these points, just make sure the weather is either clear or there are chances of snow, else you will not be able to get the bang for your buck. In the evening, you can walk along the Naini Lake on Mall Road as vehicular movement is not allowed between 6 to 8 pm in winters and 6 to 9 pm in summers. You can shop for your loved ones from the Mall Road or have some delicacies at the chocolate room. The next day, we decided to visit St. John in the Wilderness Church, which most people miss while visiting Nainital. It should be on your list if you are coming here. It is near to Nainital High Court and a must-visit place. If you are enjoying this video, a sub to the channel would be highly appreciated. If you want to go for a trek, then Nainital won't disappoint you either. Put your trekking gear on and reach the highest point of Nainital, the Naina Peak, or the China Peak, or the China Peak. When you are halfway through, you will see Satyanarayan Temple, where you can refill your water bottles and take blessings of the god. After moving forward from the temple, if you go right, you will reach China Peak. If you go left, you will head to the Camel's Back. We started towards the China Peak. After hiking for about 20 minutes, we were intercepted by a bunch of wild baboons. So we decided to go to Camel's Back instead. Somebody told me that a few centuries ago, China Peak and Camel's Back were actually a part of the same mountain, and one could have seen the Great Wall of China from the top of the peak. That's why the name China Peak. Please let me know in the comments if that's true. Once you reach Camel's Back, you will get to see some marvelous views of Nainital. After coming back from the trek, you need to relax and get some food and tea while enjoying a cricket match or a basketball match near the Naini Lake. We came back to our hotel and waited for the sun to set. Then we went out to have some hot chocolate and dinner. On day 3, we decided to leave early morning to avoid heavy traffic. On our way back, we went to the Corbett Falls near Kaladungi. The charges are Rs 50 per person and Rs 100 for 4-wheeler. I have uploaded a complete tour of the falls. The link for the same is in the description. Do check it out. I will be covering one of the most famous destinations in Nainital, Kainchi Dham, in upcoming videos, so do subscribe to the channel. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and share it with someone who needs to go to Nainital.